What's up, everybody? Andrew here with the Medellin Living Real Estate channel, where we show you the best properties in Medellin. This property is located in El Poblado, in the hills of El Poblado, in an area called Altos del Poblado. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. This is the first half bath here. This is the living room area, and it leads into the balcony, which we're going to take a look at over here. This is a big balcony, and I mean, check out this view. You could see the south of Medellin. It was a beautiful day. I mean, even with the clouds, Medellin looks beautiful. All the greenery, the mountainside is just absolutely stunning. Sunsets and sunrises must be amazing here. Okay, so we're going to walk over to the kitchen area. This is the dining table here, and the kitchen has this island over here, which is great. It has some bar stools there to eat quickly if you have more guests, etc. It's got the oven. It's got the stove top there, the fridge, and then around the corner you've got the water heater and the laundry area with the stackable washer dryer over there. I mean, if you wanted to knock down that wall and expand the kitchen, you could, but I mean, really, you don't need to do any remodeling or anything here because this is pretty much turnkey. And that's access to the other balcony. So there's 2 balconies, one facing the south and one facing the north of Medellin, which is amazing. This one's 189 square meters, so it's about 2,000 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom here. Each bedroom has its own bathroom and little walk-in closet. This is the smallest bedroom that has its own bathroom. I mean, it's pretty awesome to imagine myself living in here and my family. This is the other bedroom that, this is not a bedroom actually. This is just an office that they're using, or a beauty studio that they're using. This is the other bedroom with the bathroom in here as well. As you can see, it looks pretty modern. If you wanted to upgrade it, you could to make it look even more modern, but really you don't need to. And this is the master bedroom here. So, I mean, technically it's 4 bedrooms, but we're listing it as 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, each bedroom with its own full bath. This is the master bedroom with a his and hers sink there and the shower there on the left, and access to this balcony looking towards the north of Medellin, or the north east of Medellin, and then there's Medellin over there. I mean, it's the views you can't beat in this place. It's pretty amazing. We're going to go back inside, and we're going to take a look at where this one is located on the map so you can see what the neighborhood looks like. All right, as we go to our website, MedellinLivingRealEstate.com, and go to this listing, we can see that this one is listed at $479,000 US. The Colombian price will always stay the same. The US price on our site changes depending on the exchange rate, so it is listed at 1.8 billion Colombian pesos. We're going to scroll down to the location here. As you can see, this is El Poblado. As we scroll in here, you can see that this is Calle 10. Calle 10 goes all the way down here. This is where the touristy areas and the Provenza areas. This one's up the hill, over Las Lomas 2. It's called Altos del Poblado. Let's take a look at the Google Maps here. As you can see here, this is the building right here. And as we scroll in, you can see that this is all residential. And you saw that from the views from the balconies, that these are all residential areas and these are houses. So you're not going to have anyone blocking your view anytime. And over here, this is protected over here because there is a little creek that runs through here. So you can't build on that. Another advantage of this place is that it's on a dead-end street. So you get like 0 traffic noise. You don't get people going up and down this, because up here, this is a dead end as well. So it's not like a lot of through traffic, which is also awesome. And a lot of people like to live in that type of neighborhood. You're surrounded by greenery. If you walk down the hill, you can get to Calle 10 over here and walk all the way to the Carulla, which is the grocery store. There's a shopping mall, San Esteban shopping mall over here. If you keep going down, you get to Provenza. So it is walking distance to Provenza going downhill. If you're going back uphill, you have to be in good shape. I mean, if you're going to the Body Tech every day, you could probably walk back up. But if not, you're probably going to take an Uber back up or whatever, or maybe you'll have a car or a motorcycle or a scooter. That being said, if you're interested in this one, you want to take a look at it, or maybe you're just interested in something completely different, but you're ready to buy within the next 2 months, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you on the next one.